Hello dear friends, I am Amit Belekar from Tips and Tricks by AMB. Welcomes you to my channel. Before moving further, if you still didn't subscribe to my channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon to get notifications of all my new videos. In previous presentations, we had discussed about tablets with their advantages and disadvantages. We also discussed various types of tablets like tablets for oral ingestion, tablets used in oral cavity. Today in this session we are going to discuss about various types of tablets administered by other route than oral route and various types of tablets for solution preparation. After going through this presentation, the learner will be able to describe types of tablets administered by other routes and describe types of tablets for preparation of solution. Already in previous presentation we had discussed that tablets are solid, flat or biconvex disc unit dosage forms prepared by compressing a drug or a mixture of drug with or without excipients. We also discussed that tablets are broadly classified into four types as tablets for oral ingestion, tablets used in oral cavity, tablets used by other routes, and tablets used for preparation of solution. We already discussed tablets for oral administration and tablets used in oral cavity in details. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about tablets used by other routes and tablets used for preparation of solution. First, we will discuss tablets used by other routes. These are the tablets which are used by route other than oral route or oral cavity. And these are further subclassified as implantation tablets and vaginal tablets. Let's discuss these tablets one by one. First of such type is implantation tablets. These are the tablets which are placed under skin, that is subcutaneously. Sub means below and cutaneous means skin. So these tablets are the tablets which are placed under skin with the help of a special injector or minor surgery. Drug is absorbed from such tablet slowly and continuously for long duration of about months or years. These tablets are generally cylindrical or tube shaped for easy insertion through the injector. The injector is having a hollow needle, a plunger to insert tablet under skin. Tablets with other shape are also to be placed under skin with small surgical operation. As these tablets are placed below skin, these should be sterile in nature and should be packed individually in sterile conditions. These tablets are formulated with biodegradable polymer or silicone polymer by compression or fusion method. Testosterone and deoxycorticosterone are the drugs which are incorporated in implantation tablets. Next type is vaginal tablets. As name indicate, these tablets are intended to introduce and slowly dissolve into vaginal cavity and produce local effect in the vagina. These tablets have pear shape or ovoid shape for easy insertion and retention of that tablet into the vagina. Antibacterial agents which prevent growth or kill the bacteria, antiseptics which prevent sepsis, and astringent drugs which precipitates the protein are administered in the form of vaginal tablets. These tablets are buffered to adjust and maintain the pH which is favorable for the action of these drugs. These tablets mostly contain lactose and sodium bicarbonate as excipients. Now we will discuss about tablets used to prepare solution. These tablets are not used for administration in tablet form or intact tablet form, but these are mixed with appropriate vehicle to form a solution of drug, and then this solution is administered by various routes. These are subtyped as effervescent tablet, dispensing tablets, hypodermic tablets, and tablet triturates. Let's discuss these tablets one by one. First type is effervescent tablet. As name indicates, these tablets when added in water produces effervescence. Effervescence means evolution of bubbles of a gas from a liquid. Effervescent tablets are not meant for administration as such, but these are to be dissolved in water to form rapid solution along with release of carbon dioxide. It forms a pleasantly flavored carbonated drink which masks obnoxious taste of the medicament. Such solution is less irritating to the stomach mucosa also. Carbon dioxide evolves because of chemical reaction taking place between ingredients or excipients present in tablets and water. Along with drug, main excipients required in formulation of effervescent tablets are citric acid, tartaric acid, and sodium bicarbonate. Acid reacts with sodium bicarbonate in presence of water to liberate carbon dioxide. Main disadvantage of effervescent tablets is difficulty in producing a stable product, and storage should be done properly as moisture from air may initiate the effervescent reaction and may affect the quality of the product. Example of drug which is available in market as effervescent tablet is aspirin. Next type of tablet is dispensing tablet. As name indicate, these tablets are used for dispensing solution of drug to the patient by pharmacist. These are added to specific volume of water by pharmacist to produce a solution of desired concentration of drug. The solution is then given to the patient for application on skin or mucous membrane or wounds. Drugs which are incorporated in this form are quaternary ammonium compounds, silver proteinate, and bichloride of mercury merbromine. Excipients used in formulation of dispensing tablets should be freely soluble in water to form a clear solution. Excipients for making solution isotonic is also incorporated if solution is to be applied on wound. These tablets are very toxic if administered orally by mistake. To avoid such administration, and instruction should be written on the label of the product that not for swallowing or not for administration by oral route. Next type is hypodermic tablets. This word came from two words with hypo meaning below and dermis meaning skin. Thus, these are the tablets which are sterile in nature and are dissolved in sterile water for injection, and this solution is injected parenterally with the help of syringe and needle. The drug and excipients used in such tablets should be readily water soluble to form solution rapidly. These tablets are outdated nowadays as chances of contamination of solution and loss of sterility are more. Next type is tablet triturates. Tablet triturates are small cylindrical tablets prepared by molding or compression. On small scale in laboratory, these are prepared by molding method by pharmacists, and on large scale these are prepared by compression method by automatic tablet triturate machines. These tablets contain potent medicaments. Drug is mixed with lactose and binder with the help of alcohol. The mixed mass is then molded into molds of desired shape and size. Alcohol gets evaporated to form the tablet triturates. These tablets are rarely used nowadays as these are usually soft and friable or easily breakable. Content uniformity of these tablets is also doubtful. Now it's time to summarize today's presentation. First, we had discussed that tablets are used by other routes than oral route or oral cavity. Examples of such tablets are implantation tablets, which are injected parenterally, and vaginal tablets, which are introduced in vagina to get local effect of drug in the vagina. Then we had discussed various types of tablets used for preparation of solution. Such tablets are dissolved first into a vehicle and then administered in the body. Examples of such tablets are effervescent tablets, which are used for producing effervescent solution and administered orally. Dispensing tablets, which are used for dispensing solution of drug by pharmacist. Hypodermic tablets, which are dissolved in sterile water for injection, and solution is introduced parenterally with the help of needle and syringe. Tablet triturates are the tablets containing potent drug and its solution is administered. Thank you for listening me patiently. If you like this presentation, please click on subscribe button and bell icon to get notifications of further videos. Like it and share it to your dear ones. Drop your queries in comments or on my mail address, which is given in the video. Thank you once again.